Hi, boys and girls. We are back for another edition of the Blue Book. Looking at words and the sounds of words. We're going to take them apart, put them back together, all kinds of fun. We started this week working on our R blends, and we're going to add one more today that we're going to work on. So let's review what we've learned so far. We have GR, gur, like in grapes, TR, tur, like in trap, PR, purr, like in present, CR, cur, like in cry, BR, burr, like in breeze, FR, fur, like in French fries, and our new one down here is DR, dur, like in drop. Okay, these are the R blends we're going to work on today. So let's start with rhyming words. I'm going to give you a word, and then I want you to pick out the word that the next word I say that rhymes with it. So which word rhymes with crow? Is it grow or graph? Grow. Grow rhymes with crow. Good job. They both end with O. Which word rhymes with drill? Dress or grill? Grill. Grill rhymes with drill. Which word rhymes with Fred? Is it bread or frog? Bread. Bread rhymes with Fred. Which word rhymes with grape? Is it shape or grip? Shape. Shape rhymes with grape. Which word rhymes with tried? Is it flame or fried? Fried. Fried rhymes with tried. Good job. Beginning sounds. Treat. Tur, 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 TR. Frog. Fur, 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 FR. Breath. Burr, 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 BR. Prince. Purr, 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 PR. Ground. Gur, 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 GR. Crunch. Cur, 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 CR. Okay, now we're going to get our choppers out. I'm going to give you some sounds, and we're going to put the sounds together to make the word. Here we go. Dream. Oh, I did it backwards. I did that in the classroom, didn't I? Okay, so I'm going to stick that one in there somewhere where you're not expecting it, and we're going to try this again. Here we go. Truck. Good job. Brave. Brave. Up. Drop. Is. Frizz. Dream. There it is, the one I messed up on. I stuck it in there on you. Couple more. Tribe. Tribe. Rise. Prize. Good job, everybody. Remember last time we didn't punch out the ending sound. We used our roller coasters to find that middle vowel sound, either the A, E, I, O, or U. We're going to do the same thing, okay? Your first word is treat. Eat. E. Good job, that E sound. State. Eight. What'd you hear in the middle? A. Good job. Flock. Flock. What'd you hear? What says ah, ah? O. Good job. Plan. P-L-An. What's in the middle? What says ah? A. Good job. Broke. B-R-O-K. O. That time the vowel said its own name. O. Good job. All right, now I'm going to give you the word, and we're going to chop up some sounds. Here we go. First word is brush. Sh. Brush. Cried. I'd. Cried. Dress. S. Dress. Fright. 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 Grab. Ab. Grab. Crop. Up. Crop. Drive. I've. Drive. Good job, everybody. That is how we spell words. We listen for those sounds we hear in the beginning, and the middle, and the end. Okay? Now I'm going to give you a little part of a word that starts with that and then we're going to add the beginning sound to that R blend to make the whole word, okay? First word is rhyme. Add p. Prime. Ray. Add t. Tray. Raid. Add b. Braid. Rab. Add k. Crab. Rest. Add d. Dress. Good job, everybody. Now we're going to take away that beginning sound from the R blend and just leave the R word. Fright. Take away right. Good job. Trail. Take away t. Rail. Dread. Take away d. Red. Brave. Take away b. Rave. And freed. Take away read. Good job, everybody. These are hard words. You guys are really hanging in there and sticking with it. Because if you can hear the sounds, you can read the sounds, and you can write the sounds. So keep practicing. Now we're going to change the beginning R blend to make a whole brand new word. Here we go. Brand. Change burr to gur. Grand. Greet. Change gur to tur. Treat. Tries. Change tur to cur. Cries. Brave. Add burr, or change burr to cur. Crave. Good. Grain. Change gur to dur. Drain. Crow. Change cur to gur. Grow. And last one, grade. Change gur to tur. Trade. Good job, everybody. One thing you could do to practice these R blends, practice writing words that start with some of these and see if you can stretch out the beginning, middle, and ending sounds to write the whole thing. What are some words that might start with GR? Gur, like in grade. Or TR, tur, like in trap. PR, purr, like in prize. C-R, cur, like in craft. B-R, burr, like in brag. F-R, fur, like in frozen. And D-R, dur, like in dream. Good luck with these, friends. Keep practicing all of your blends, all that we've learned so far as you're spelling and reading these words. All right, great job today, everybody. Bye. See you next time.